It fell. Okay. Oh, see, yeah. Those two, yeah. Oh, be careful.
Yes.
Yeah. Woo! Okay.
Yeah. Oh no. Yeah. Oh no. Yeah. Shine my shoe, chick stick, take on my tail, yo. Do your thing, no, they do churchy, yo. Follow your dreams, you they do holy. Shine my shoe, chick stick, take on my tail, yo. Someone go, all vibes on check, SWAT on check, chickens on deck, what is on deck, Chima's on deck, Prophet's on deck, he's on deck, she's on deck, chickens on deck, what is on deck, Chima's on deck, Prophet's on deck, he's on deck, she's on deck, he's on deck. We just dey do our thing, we no dey send nobody, we are just here for the fun, we no dey fight nobody. Oh my way, I'm on my way, you can't stop me. Oh my way, I'm on my way, you can't stop me. Shine my shoe, chick stick, take on my tail, yo. Do your thing.
Zip line. You wanted to do zip line, and you can see it goes over there to the property. And you can see it's cloudy. Okay, see? I am not trying to do that. I love the fact that I can hike in my bikini all the way here because the fabulous village owns all this property and it's private and secluded. So I can hike in my bikini. I was swimming, but the pool was a bit too cold, so I decided to come here. I love this. It's so peaceful. And so let me go ahead and continue with my walk. I mean, is this amazing or what? It is like in tune with nature. I don't know if you can hear the breeze. And I'll show you all my villa. I'm upstairs. My bestie Sylvia is downstairs. And then I wonder what's our
Follow your dreams, you they do holy. Shine my shoe, chick stick, take on my tail, yo. Fasha mango.
So I stay on this floor. That's mine. I have the whole top floor here, and then my friend Sylvia, actually that kind of stuff would have been nice, but anyway, that's the one right there. And so my friend Sylvia is on the bottom floor here. This one has 3 floors, and there is another one where somebody else is staying. And so this is hers. Let me knock.